Hi, this is Fumichika, OpenLM customer support. Please call me Fumi. Today I would like to introduce how to set up a Windows authentication for version 21 with the identity service. First of all, I will open up the identity service, log in as an admin. I'm sorry, but I already set up, but yeah, you can enable the Windows authentication here, and then you can once log out. Then please try to log in as a Windows authentication here. For the initial attempt, the first try, the access will be denied. You'll get the error, kind of error, and then you can't log in. So, but user will be automatically added inside. So please log in as the admin again. Then you will get the Fumich key. This is the my Windows account. And then please enable the system administrator if you want to log in to the identity service UI. This system administrator means you can log in to the UI, identity service UI, and then edit the content inside. You can log in with your Windows authentication once you enable it. But maybe talking about the Easy Admin, when you are logging into the Easy Admin, this has nothing to do with it. This is just for the identity service. Yeah. So now we are going to try to. I'm sorry. Maybe we log out once, and then we will try to open up the Easy Admin next. Yeah. So when you try to log in to the Easy Admin with the Windows Authentication button, maybe first attempt you'll get the kind of browser error. Browser will pop up the kind of login, login user ID, password, pop-up window will appear. So this is a kind of error, so we want to avoid it. So we have to set up the browser internet option. So please open up the internet option. Then please open up the security tab and then go to the local intranet. And we have to add the site at the zone of the FQDN of Easy Admin machine and Identity Service machine here. You have to add that site HTTP FQDN into the local intranet zone. Then you don't get the that kind of pop-up error message. So now you can close it. Then you can log in with your Windows authentication to the Easy Admin. As you can see here, this is a Windows account indicating the login user is a Windows account. And then, sometimes when you try to log in, you'll get just only a blank screen. So in that case, you have to go to the role and permission and check the the Windows account. You have a Windows account user and then assign to a role to the admin role. In this case, admin role, but should be assigned to a role which can have access to the easy admin interface. So thank you very much. Bye now.